In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can set Pay PIN on your Binance account. The Pay PIN on Binance is crucial for securing your account and transactions. It adds an extra layer of protection, especially for financial transactions, helping prevent unauthorized access to your funds. It's like having a second password specifically for payments, enhancing overall account security. To do this, simply head into your Binance account. On your home page, tap on the Binance icon on your upper left corner. Head into your profile. You will then select on this option of security. Navigate onto this option of Pay PIN. Enter in any PIN of your own choice. You will then have to re-enter it for verification. When enabled, you will be required to enter that exact PIN every time you want to make a transaction. The Pay PIN on Binance is crucial for securing your account and transactions. That's how easy it is to turn on Pay PIN on Binance. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.